You walk into a furniture store. You see the perfect couch. If you want simple, practical tips like this, tips that actually work for real people, hit that like button and subscribe to Liberty Money. We drop new videos every single day to help you get out of the money struggle and start building real wealth. Let's go. 1. What is 0% APR and how does it actually work? Let's start with the basics. APR stands for annual percentage rate. It's the interest you pay on borrowed money. Normally, credit cards charge 18% to 28%, but 0% APR offers say you can borrow money and pay zero interest for a specific period, usually 6, 12, 18, or even 21 months. You buy something today, and as long as you pay it off within that promotional period, you pay no interest. Sounds amazing, right? Here's how it works in practice. You get a 0% APR, credit card, or store financing deal. You make a purchase. You make monthly payments. You pay off the entire balance before the promotional period ends. You'll pay zero interest. But, and this is huge, if you don't pay it off in time, or if you miss even one payment, you can get hit with deferred interest that goes all the way back to day one. This is personal finance management that requires understanding the fine print. This is financial literacy that says free money doesn't exist. This is money management that recognizes that 0% APR isn't a gift, it's a gamble. When you're learning debt management, you need to understand that these offers are designed to make money off people who mess up. Have you ever taken a 0% APR deal? Did you pay it off in time, or did you get hit with surprise interest? 2. The deferred interest trap. The biggest danger. Here's the trap that destroyed me. Most 0% APR deals use something called deferred interest. This means that if you do pay off the full balance by the end of the promotional period, you get charged interest retroactively on the original purchase amount from day one. Let me explain with my story. I bought $2,000 in furniture with 18 months of 0% APR. I made payments every month. By month 17, I owed $400. Then, life happened. I missed the payment by 3 days. The promotional period ended with a balance remaining. Suddenly, I got charged 27.99% interest on the original $2,000 for all 18 months. That's $847 in interest added to my account immediately. Thought I was being smart by using 0% financing. Instead, I got crushed. This is personal budget destruction that happens to millions of people. This is financial planning that backfires spectacularly. This is budgeting for beginners who don't read the fine print. When you understand debt management, you realize that deferred interest is a trap designed to catch people who are 99% successful but mess up at the last second. This is financial education that says, if the deal seems too good to be true, read the contract 3 times. Did you know about deferred interest before watching this? If you have a 0% APR deal right now, do you know if it's deferred interest or true 0%? 3. True 0% APR versus deferred interest. No, the difference. Not all 0% APR offers are traps. Some are legitimate. Here's the difference. True 0% APR means you pay no interest during the promotional period, and if there's a remaining balance when it ends, you only pay interest going forward on that remaining balance. You don't get hit retroactively. These are usually offered by major credit card companies like Chase, Discover, or American Express on balance transfers or new purchases. If you don't pay it off in time, you only pay interest on what's left, starting from that point forward. Deferred interest, on the other hand, is the trap. It's common with store financing, furniture stores, electronic stores, appliance stores. If you don't pay off the full balance by the end, you get charged all the interest that would have accumulated from day one. This is saving money versus losing money, and the difference is massive. This is personal finance management that requires asking one question before you sign. Is this true 0% APR or deferred interest? This is money management that protects you. This is financial literacy that prevents $847 mistakes. Always ask. Always read the contract. This is financial education that's worth thousands of dollars. Next time you see a 0% APR offer, will you ask if it's true 0% or deferred interest? This one question can save you hundreds or thousands. 4. When 0% APR offers are actually worth it, okay? So 0% APR can be a trap. But does that mean you should never use them? No. There are situations where 0% APR offers are smart. First, if you're redoing a balance transfer from a high-interest credit card to a 0% APR card to save on interest while you pay down debt. Second, if you have a large and necessary purchase, like a major appliance that broke, and you have a plan to pay it off within the promotional period. Third, if you're disciplined enough to set up automatic payments and pay it off early. Here's the key to making 0% APR work. Treat it like a short-term loan with a hard deadline, not like free money. Calculate exactly how much you need to pay each month to eliminate the balance before the promo ends. Then add a buffer, pay more than the minimum. Set up autopay, so you never miss a payment. This is debt management that's strategic. This is personal budget planning that uses 0% APR as a tool, not a trap. This is financial planning that says, if you can afford to pay it off in the promotional period, don't buy it. This is budgeting for beginners who are becoming advanced, using credit strategically without getting burned. If you took a 0% APR deal right now, could you afford to pay it off in half the promotional period? That's the safety margin you need. 5. The hidden costs most people miss. Even if you avoid the deferred interest trap, there are other costs hiding in 0% APR deals. First, many 0% APR credit cards charge balance transfer fees, usually 3% to 5% of the amount transferred. So if you transfer $5,000, you're paying $150 to $250 upfront. That's not free. Second, some store financing deals require you to open a store credit card, which adds a hard inquiry to your credit report and can lower your score temporarily. Third, if you're using 0% APR to buy something you don't actually need, you're still spending money you wouldn't have spent otherwise. This is money management that looks beyond the headline. This is personal finance management that calculates the real cost. This is financial literacy that says, even 0% APR has a price if you're not careful. When you're serious about saving money, you ask, am I using this 0% deal to avoid interest on a necessary purchase? Or am I using it as an excuse to buy something I can't afford? This is financial education that's honest. This is budgeting that prioritizes needs over wants. The best 0% APR deal is the one you do need because you already have the cash saved. Have you ever used a 0% APR deal to buy something you didn't really need? How did that work out? 6. How to use 0% APR safely, the smart strategy. If you're going to use a 0% APR offer, here's how to do it without getting burned. Step 1. Read the entire contract. Look for the words, deferred interest. If you see them, run, unless you're 100% confident you can pay it off early. Step 2. Calculate your monthly payment. Take the total amount and divide by the number of months in the promotional period. Then multiply by 1.25. That's your target payment. You want to finish early, not on the last day. Step 3. Set up automatic payments for that amount. Don't rely on yourself to remember. Automate it. Step 4. Set a calendar reminder for 2 months before the promotional period ends. This gives you time to make a final lump sum payment if needed. Step 5. Track your balance monthly. Don't assume it's going down fast enough. Check it. This is personal budget protection. This is debt management that's proactive. This is financial planning that prevents disasters. This is money management that uses automation and tracking to eliminate human error. This is financial literacy in action, knowing the rules and playing by them perfectly. If you have a 0% APR deal right now, have you calculated your target monthly payment to finish early? Do it today. 7. The bottom line, is 0% APR worth it? So, here's my final verdict, after getting burned and learning the hard way. 0% APR can be worth it if you meet all these conditions. You're reusing true 0% APR, not deferred interest. You have a clear plan to pay it off, in less than the promotional period. You're buying something you actually need, not just want. You set up automatic payments to avoid missing deadlines, and you're disciplined enough to not treat it like free money. If you meet all 5 conditions, 0% APR can save you money and help you manage big expenses smartly. But if you're using 0% APR to buy things you can't afford, if you're hoping you'll figure it out later, or if you're not reading the fine print, it's a trap. You will end up like I did, paying hundreds or thousands in interest you thought you'd avoided. This is personal finance management that's realistic. This is financial education that's honest about risks and benefits. This is money management that says, use tools wisely or they'll hurt you. This is budgeting for beginners that evolves into advanced strategy. The question isn't is 0% APR good or bad? The question is, can you handle it responsibly? Based on everything you've learned, are you ready to use 0% APR safely? Or should you avoid it until you're more disciplined with money? Here's What I want you to take away from this: 0% APR offers are evil, but they're not gifts either. They're tools. And like any tool, they can help you or hurt you, depending on how you use them. I got hurt because I didn't understand deferred interest, and I missed a payment by 3 days. Cost me $847. Don't let that happen to you. If you're going to use 0% APR, do it right. Read the contract. Ask if it's deferred interest. Calculate your payments. Set up autopay. Finish early. And most importantly, only use it for things you truly need and have a real plan to pay off. Your financial future is too important to gamble on free money that isn't really free. Be smart. Be strategic. Protect yourself. Tell me in the comments, have you ever been burned by a 0% APR deal? What happened? Or are you using one successfully right now? Let's share our experiences so we can all learn. And if this video saved you from making a costly 0% APR mistake, hit like and subscribe to Liberty Money. We're dropping new content every single day to help you avoid financial traps, build financial literacy, and build real wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.